Fire. Fight.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Myla B here, and if you are new, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. As you guys can tell by this title, you guys will be seeing how I get my eyebrows as of 2020. We got to keep these eyebrows still intact, even though they're not that important no more in 2020, but they are important enough to be on fleek. So you guys have been asking for this eyebrow tutorial, so I'm finally here giving it to you. So make sure you guys continue watching. Make sure you guys hit the notification bell so you get all of my uploads, and make sure you guys subscribe, because a lot of y'all ain't, and I know. So let's get to it. Let's get to 10K, and then 10K we're gonna get 200K, and make sure you guys keep watching. Catch my last uploads, all that good jazz. See y'all in my next video. Bye, loves. Okay, so please excuse my voice in this voiceover. I am currently getting over the flu. As you can see, we're getting into these little crazy little brows of mine. My hairs go every which way. I have very thick 4C coarse hair, so that's why my hairs are kind of thick but very scarce. I don't really know how to describe it, but anyways, I'm taking the Juvia's Place dark brown liner. It's like a pomade basically that you use for liner, but I'm using it for my brows. And I'm taking their brush and some Got2B gel. This is like the ultimate brow setter. So this is what I'm going to use to set my brow hairs in place. As you can see, I'm taking a spoolie brush. This is from Babessss Cosmetics, and I'm basically brushing my hairs upwards, and then I'm combing it I cannot talk. I'm combing them over. This is kind of how I create my shape before I start drawing on my brows. I think when I set my brows before I start applying products, it makes it a little easier for me to draw them on. So I'm doing this step first. Okay, get your shape and get your life, sis. So I'm going to take this dark brown product. This is a gel liner, but I'm using it as a pomade basically for my eyebrows. I'm going to take that product on the brush and then disperse it on the back of my hand so that the product disperses evenly on my eyebrow. And then what I'm going to do is start creating that brow shape. So I'm going to start on the bottom half, and I'm going to create a line. And basically, I'm going to disperse that product in the way that my hairs go. So the way I set it with that gel, that's where I'm going to disperse that product. I'm also going to go in and kind of create my tail because I don't have much of a tail. So if you don't have much of a tail, you can go in and create one. I'm trying not to be too heavy-handed. However, on the outer half of my brow, I do like my brow to be a little bit darker. So I am a little bit heavy-handed on the outer part of it. But you basically just want to disperse that product in the way that your hairs go.
Somebody's getting it, somebody's getting my love. Somebody's getting it,
Okay, so I'm giving you side-by-side visual of what the brow looks like with and without product. So I basically did the other brow off camera. I'm sorry if you guys wanted to see it. I'm taking my Juvia's Place J12 concealer, and I dispersed that basically under the eyebrow, just on my eyelid kind of. And now what I'm doing is going in and shaping my eyebrows with that concealer. So I'm taking a like flat brush and basically going in and creating my brow shape. This is kind of the shape I like to achieve. I don't know all the exact brow shapes, but I know that I like a slight arch. I wouldn't say my brows are too boxy, but some people probably would. But I actually have very naturally thick brows, so I try to make them look as natural to my shape as possible, but I don't like very light brows. So okay, so some would recommend using, I'm blending that product out basically with a blending, like a buffing brush basically for Real Techniques. I'm using a concealer that's closer to my skin tone. Usually I would probably highlight under my eyes with a brighter concealer, but due to the fact that I kind of wanted more of a natural eyebrow this day, I didn't go too heavy, and I would recommend if you want more of a natural look to get a concealer that is not lighter than your actual face shade. But I'm blending it out with my beauty blender, and that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this eyebrow tutorial. I love you guys. Stay strong, stay beautiful, stay black, and I'll see you in my next video.
Dame la ciencia.